Hi there. Today we are going to talk about Word Counter, free online web application by Aspos.pdf. Firstly, let's think why and where we can use it. It's very convenient when you're writing for Twitter, for example, which limits the number of characters, and this situation is always difficult for bloggers, especially for those who just starts to write for this social network. What's more, this free online web application can process such file formats as PDF, EXLSX, Docs, and PPTX. To start working, just go to Aspos.pdf applications and choose the button Word Counter. Here you can type text into white box or choose the file format you are going to work with. Let's try to count words in PDF file. Browse, drag and drop, or just enter the URL of the file to count the words in. Choose the page or pages you would like to count the words and press Submit button. In a while you'll get the result. On this page you can also leave feedback. We respect our users and want them to be comfortable working with us. To try this application, please use the link in the description below this video.